This is the NAD C700 V2, and on paper, it promises to replace your entire hi-fi stack with one sleek little box. No rack of gear, no mess of cables, just pure high-end sound. Sounds almost too good, right? Well, after living with it for a while, I found something interesting. It absolutely nails some things, but there are a few surprises NAD doesn't exactly shout about. The NAD C700 V2 product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The NAD C700 V2 is a compact streaming amplifier from NAD, released as an upgraded version of their already popular C700. It's aimed squarely at people who want premium hi-fi sound without the complexity. Think modern audiophiles, apartment dwellers, or anyone tired of bulky gear. The big idea? This single unit combines a powerful amplifier, music streamer, and control interface into one minimalist box. It runs on BluOS, supports high-resolution audio, and pushes around 80 watts per channel, which is more than enough for most home setups. NAD C700 V2 performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I used the C700 V2 for everything, from casual Spotify listening to late-night sessions with high-res FLAC files. And honestly, this thing is shockingly good for its size. The sound is clean, detailed, and surprisingly powerful. You don't get that thin, compressed feel you might expect from a compact system. Instead, it delivers tight bass, clear mids, and crisp highs that feel balanced and natural. Streaming is where this really shines. With BluOS, everything feels seamless. Switching between services, controlling playback from your phone, it's smooth, fast, and reliable. No weird lag or connection drops, which is a big deal if you've used clunky smart audio gear before. But here's the thing, it's not trying to be flashy. It's more about consistent, high-quality performance than jaw-dropping gimmicks. And for most people, that's exactly what you want in a daily driver audio system.
Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features. First up, BluOS multi-room streaming. This lets you sync music across different rooms with other BluOS devices. So if you're hosting a party or just moving around the house, your music follows you seamlessly. Second, high-resolution audio support. It handles formats like FLAC and MQA, which means you're getting studio-quality sound, not just compressed streaming. If you care about audio detail, this is huge. Third, HDMI eARC support. This basically turns the C700 V2 into a TV sound upgrade. Plug it into your TV, and suddenly your movies and shows sound dramatically better. No separate soundbar needed. And finally, the touchscreen display. It's not just for show. It gives you album art, playback controls, and system info right on the unit. It makes the whole experience feel modern and premium.
Design and build. Aesthetically, NAD absolutely nailed it. The C700 V2 has this clean, minimalist design with a matte finish that feels understated, but premium. It's compact enough to fit almost anywhere, whether that's a media console or a desk setup. The front-facing glass display is the star of the show. It's sharp, responsive, and just makes the whole system feel high-end. The build quality is solid too. No creaks, no cheap plastics, just a well-engineered piece of gear. Pros: excellent sound quality for its size. Seamless BluOS streaming experience. Clean, modern design with a great display. Cons: limited physical inputs compared to traditional setups. Touchscreen can feel slightly unnecessary at times.
Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone who wants high-end audio without the complexity, the NAD C700 V2 is honestly a fantastic choice. It simplifies everything: setup, streaming, daily use, without sacrificing sound quality. If you're a hardcore audiophile who loves tweaking separate components, this might feel a bit too streamlined. You might prefer a traditional amp and DAC setup. But for everyone else,
This is kind of a sweet spot. It's powerful, elegant, and genuinely enjoyable to use every day.